Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung bagong kabanata na magbubukas para sa inyo. Ayan, so itong reading na to ay combination ng astrology, tarot, at oracle. Okay, so ang pagbabasihan natin rito yung astrological transit ng Saturn, which is entering the sign of Aries sa February 14 hanggang April 2028. Ayan. So, this reading is based sa rising sign. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam yung rising sign ninyo, go to Google, ilagay nyo lang how to know my rising sign, tapos ilagay nyo lang yung birth information ninyo. Make sure alam nyo yung time of birth ninyo at place of birth. Pero okay lang din kung hindi nyo naman alam yung inyong rising sign. It's okay. Pwede rin naman kayo mag-resonate dito yung mga Sagittarius, Sun, and Moon. Okay? Yes, so let's begin. So ito kasing Saturn is entering the sign of Aries. So this is a major shift, especially that Neptune is already in Aries right now. So kumbaga, merong mga ina-activate na dreams, may mga ina-activate na mga aspirations, also creative energies para sa inyo, like yung creativity ninyo. Now, ito ay happening in your fifth house of your creativity, also children and dating. So some of you, Sagittarius, if nasa relationship kayo na hindi ganoon kaseryoso, possible na magkaroon ng challenging situation yung connection ninyo, at pwedeng magkaroon kasi dito ng on and off relationship. Tinetest yung connection ninyo if this is worth it, no? Kung tipong pang matagalan ba siya, pang long term ba siya, o hindi. Pero ito namang transit na to is 2 years, 2.5 years. So, medyo matagal yan. Saturn also is restriction and boundaries, no? So, maaring you will also set boundaries when it comes to dating. So, syempre kung ikaw ay single, maaring medyo magiging picky ka. Yung tipong maingat ka sa mga taong makaka-date mo. Or yung mga you will connect romantically. Ayan. And then, also, kung kayo naman ay medyo sexually active. Oo, kung medyo sexually active kayo, at hindi pa kayo ready para sa responsibilities, mag-ingat. Okay? Kasi pwedeng, yun nga, bigyan ka ng responsibility. Kasi si Saturn is responsibility. Ayan. So, pwedeng may mabuntis, makabuntis, mabuntis, ganun. Especially that Jupiter is in your 8th house of transformation. Ayan, nasa Jupiter, si Jupiter is nasa sign ng Cancer, which is in your 8th house. So, yan ay merong challenging aspect sa iyong 5th house. So, be careful, okay? But also, syempre, si Saturn naman kasi, hindi lang naman siya puro challenges. Meron din tong rewards. So, if during this transit is, kumbaga, i-explore mo yung creativity mo, no? Yung creative side mo. You will explore your talents, your skill set, and you will act on it with the sign of Aries. Kung gagawin mo siya ng aksyon, edi, good job. Kasi you will see the results. And this can be life-changing para sa inyo. And, pwede rin tong magkaroon ng new source of income for you, no? Itong 2.5 years na transit. And you will also have more friends, connections. Mag-ingat lang dun sa mga mga encounters na mabilis kang ma-in love or magpadala sa mga ang tawag nito, magpadala sa mga hindi pagsubok magpadala sa mga temptation. Oo. Lalo na sa mga kaibigan. Ingat-ingat, okay? Ayan. So, some of you naman, meron ditong, kung meron ka ng anak doon sa mga may anak dito, you may have a challenging situation with your children. So, pwedeng meron silang sarili nilang problema na, syempre, since parent ka, maipapasa nila yung problema nila sa'yo. So, mas maganda na kung meron ka ng anak, especially kung yung mga anak mo, nasa teenage years na, make sure to be there to support them mentally, no, sa mga pinagdadaanan nila. Okay, let's see what else. You have, tinan mo, my birth. Venus in Cancer in the 4th house. So this can be a new member of the family. May bagong member ng pamilya nyo, may manganganak. Or during this transit, merong may maa-add sa family ninyo. Pwedeng ikaw yung magkakaanak or family member. You have Jupiter in Leo in the 5th house. So, ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, Sagittarius, mas makikilala kayo. You will be recognized by a lot of people dahil rin sa abilities, talents mo. Jupiter is the planet of expansion. 5th house is creativity. Some of you, meron kayong mga i-improve na abilities, talent, skill set na dun kayo mas magiging sikat. No? Some of you, kung kayo ay nasa content creation or nasa creatives kayo, you will gain new followers or mga admirers dahil sa ginagawa nyo. Lalo na kung nasa entertainment industry kayo. So you have Mercury in Aries in the 1st house, which is about yourself. So this is pagiging busy. Marami kang kakausapin, marami kang pag-aaralan. Oo. So just make sure na balance 'yan kasi baka ito rin yung magpa-stress sa'yo na you might be overthinking a lot of things about your life dahil ang daming nangyayari sa paligid mo. So, make sure na yung meron kang time para sa sarili mo rin. Kasi 'di ba, yung ating mga libangan, yung mga hobbies natin, kapag minonetize natin, okay sana 'yun kasi gusto natin yung ginagawa natin, passion natin 'yun. Kaya lang pag nandoon na yung pressure, hindi na siya fun, hindi na siya masaya for you. So, pwede kang ma-burnout. So, yun yung babantayan mo. Okay. Tingnan mo. You have the Tower. So, this is a unexpected change. Pwede, be easy, no, on your, children, kung meron ka ng mga anak. Kasi pwede magkaroon ng, like, certain drama sa family regarding your, anak. You have the 5 of Pentacles. When it comes to your finances, iwasan mo na lang muna yung paggastos ng hindi naman talaga kailangan. Kasi nga, meron din tong challenging aspect sa 2nd house mo. Oo. And iwas din sa mga utang. Kasi lalong magkakaproblema kapag yung pambayad mo sa utang mo, uutangin mo rin. So, make sure na itong transit na to, umiwas sa utang or kung meron ka na existing utang, bayaran mo siya kahit paunti-unti. You have Daughter of Cups. So, this is, oo nga, merong new baby, no? Oo. Sa transit na to, someone is going to have their own baby or this can be yung iyong mga hopes and dreams. Mas magiging yung parang imaginative. So, yung maaring may mga creative ideas ka, pay attention doon sa mga creative ideas mo. Kasi minsan dinidismiss mo yun, ay baka hindi to mag-work, wag na lang. Sayang kasi may potential, no? Tingnan mo rin kung kaya mo siyang panindigan. Bawa may idea ka, like let's say business or a project. Maganda naman yung idea. So, i-pursue mo. Kasi you'll never know kung ano yung magiging epekto nun sa'yo, 'di ba? Your true tribe can't show up until you do. How can you show more of the real you? So, this is authenticity. Mas magiging totoo ka rin sa sarili mo. You will express yourself, your emotions. I think you will also attract yung mga taong aligned sa energy mo eh. Like yung mga soul tribe mo, like soul family mo. During this transit, you will meet new people, especially on the creative department. Lalo na kung ikaw ay, let's say, into arts, music, ganyan. At meron ka mga attend ng mga events. So, yung mga makikilala mo doon, makakasundo mo, may possibility na sila ay maging malaking parte ng buhay mo, ng future mo, moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.